What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to do a review on my 2004 Skidoo Rev 600, and we'll also be installing new handguards on my snowmobile. These are PowerMadd riser handlebars. They have heated grips on them, along with a heated throttle, which is really nice when it gets cold. I also have a custom wrap on it that makes it look really nice. I just installed new idler wheels because the other ones are pretty worn. Behind the side panel, we have a MBRP mountain can. It's really loud. It also sounds really nice. These are my new snowmobile handguards, PowerMadd Sentinel handguards. There's the mounts for them. These are the old ones. I'll replace these with those. So first, let's start with getting the old handguards off. We're going to try to do this one-handed because I don't have a tripod, so... Oh, there that goes. That's why I don't have the proper drill bit for this, so we're just making it work. Okay, I'm gonna get these unboxed and then we can start putting them on. I got the first one on. It was kind of difficult to put together because I didn't use directions, kind of like always. But I didn't film it because I needed two hands and it was kind of hard to put together and film at the same time. Now I'll do the second one and I'll show you guys what both handguards look like on the snowmobile. I got them on. It took a little bit. It was difficult, but they look really good. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.